We have had fun practicing how to spell our words and what they mean. Now it's time to see if you remember what we have practiced. So it is time for a quiz. Everyone, please take out one piece of paper, write your name at the top, and write the numbers 1 through 10 on the left-hand side. When you are finished with that, remember, no looking at anybody else's paper and no speaking, no talking. If you have a question, you can raise your hand and I will come to you. Okay, here we go. Number 1, because. I like you because you are nice, because. Number 2, buy. I like to buy candy, buy. Number 3, call. Grandma wants to call me, call. Number 4, found. I found a pencil, found. Number 5, gave. Mom gave me cookies, gave. Number 6, or. Mom gave me cookies or candy. Which one? Cookies or candy? Or. Number 7, pull. Please don't pull my hair. Pull. Number 8, which. Which one should I choose? Which. Number 9 and 10 are bonus words, meaning extra credit points, extra points. These are words that we have reviewed and have practiced. Let's see if you remember how to spell them. How do you spell the color brown? That's number 9. Brown. And number 10 is the color green. How do you spell the color green? When you're all finished, pass your papers up to the front. Nice job.